discuss a question which is related to disaster management. Okay, uh, you should know this thing. Everyone should know, not only you. This is your course, so you must know. But if it is not in your course, or for those which is this question is not included in their course, they should also know this. Ki if you were caught inside in your home during earthquake, suppose you are inside your home, it is at midnight or whatever be the time, and you feel that earthquake is there. Suddenly you feel that your earth or your floor is shaking. So the moment you feel that your floor is shaking, that means you are caught in earthquake and you are inside the room. And what you should do? So if you are caught inside your room, then what you will do? Inside your room. Inside your room. So what you should do? First, you should turn off your power supply, that means electricity supply. The power supply or electric supply, power supply should be turned off, should be turned off. Power supply should be turned off. Second, one should crawl under the table or a couch to protect yourself. One should crawl. Crawling means the way the baby walks. You should crawl under a table or a couch to protect oneself. So if a table is there or if a bed is there, go inside the table or go inside the bed. Stay away from heavy objects. Stay away from heavy objects which is kept at a height. Heavy objects. Stay away from heavy objects because that those heavy objects can fall on your head and you can and those objects can injure you. Stay away from heavy objects. Stay away from mirrors. Mirrors can also injure you. Stay away from glass. Etc. You should stay away from all those objects that can harm you. Any sharp object like knives, scissors, you must stay away from all those objects. Those can harm you. Okay. And if you have elevator, never use a elevator. Never use an elevator. During earthquake. Suppose you are staying in second floor, third floor or fifth floor and your flat is provided with an elevator. So and if you want to run away from your room, then don't use elevator during earthquake. You should use your staircase. So run away. If you want to run away, then if you have the scope to run away, then you should not use elevator. You should use your stair to run away from your flat. So these are the measures you should follow. If you are caught in a earthquake and you are inside a room. Okay, and you you too have some duty also. Uh, if you are caught inside, then you can use your cell phone and to inform to your friends or to your relatives or to your neighbors that we are caught in earthquake, and if they have an opportunity to escape you or to free you, they should come and help you. So if you are having a cell phone or anything with you, you should use that to and use that to get the relief work from your neighbors or from your friends. And if you are also caught inside the room, try to don't get panicked. Don't get panicked. This is the foremost thing. First and foremost thing, don't get panicked. Stay calm and don't let your brain collapse or don't be very frightened. Use your brain to escape from the situation. So you can use your cell phones. Remember where the first aid is kept. If you anyone if you want if anyone needed help from you, you should help them. If you were in position to help them, you must help them, your neighbors or your any other elderly people, to get away from the condition. You should help them, and you should also know that where is the fire extinguisher arrangement are kept in your flat, or you should also know where the first aids are kept, where the medicines are kept. You must know, and if you are frightened enough, then your brain will not work and you will not be able to reach to your fire extinguisher, you will not be able to reach your cell phone, you will not be able to reach your first aid box. So first and foremost thing is don't get panic. Keep your cool and think how can you get rid of this situation, how can you get out of this situation. So if you were caught inside your room and if you feel that your floor is shaking, that means you are caught in an earthquake. So you should first go in under a table or your bed or anything which has a actually which can protect your head. You should go under that. Okay, so these are the way you can get rid. These are the way you can help yourself if you are caught inside a room and if you feel that an earthquake has occurred, and you have to make your own way to escape. Okay. So if a question asks what you will do if you are caught inside a room, you should write all these points, and you can add your own points also. There is no harm. If you feel that I should add some more points, you can add. You can eliminate any term. So if you feel that from these 4 points I don't want to eliminate this point and I want to include this point, that is also welcome. You can use your own answer also. Okay.